Hatinonzi kupenga when we understand that the junta, the system is working this way, that way. We've discussed how they work. But all of a sudden, we expect that this passive resistance may stop arrests, which is your question. They fear focal, they do not care. And I will glue that in my response. Thank you, champion. I totally at the time, totally disagree with you. Wallace, they did that when I'm Margaret Dong. No one has got the right. In fact, no one has power. In fact, Kwinda Kujere to defeat Court of Justice. When we think of abductions, I think we have this imagination in our head that there are so many methods. And one of the smartest one is to send Mkomana Vakudepa apedza 6 months training police kuti ndaunodana champion uye naye kumapurisa. He's got something to answer. When you are called by the police to answer something, and I'm not giving a very stupid example, ndoma adaptirwa aitika vanhu vakawanda. On a different subject, probably we'll share how people ended up having safe houses. That methodology yanga yashaya kushanda. Haisi nyaya yekuprotectwa kuti munoita chiruranga. Mapurisa anogona kusungai mese maramba kuti muri kunzi ningi ngaende kuno answer certain charges. They don't have to be there. And again, like I said, they do not have to be there. If you are asked to come and answer, you are asked to come and answer. There is a rule that you don't arrest to prosecute, but it happens in Zimbabwe. And the story can change, docket can change, you can even be charged for rape. So they are not stupid. They cannot just think that, well, if people group together, they sleep together, they will defend each other. No. Now, your last question is good. We are all alone in this game. That poster something, Pana. We are all alone in this game, guys. It is what it is. Again, Apandakusan and Sate say we. Oh, by the way, I'm part of the we and others. And that technicality, Kwandira in Abasa, because we are divided. And we don't have a barometer to say, Tikachagavana, we have different views and opinions. This is why Nzira Zikuto Pesana so to those who see. People are friends today, tomorrow they are. So the we part to me is not really, it's a rhetoric statement. It's an energetic, approach to a statement. So the international community, starting with the local, there's a narrative that speaks to NGOs have been regulated. They cannot participate in anything that seems to be political. They risk being banned. So varikutouta kutoisa makumbo pakati muswe pakati pemakumbo. Again, we are all alone in this game. We are asking about institutions. It starts within the jurisdiction. And those institutions within the jurisdiction, they are the one that will solicit, outsource. They will outsource. Now that is the international community. That is how law operates. I'll repeat slowly as I learned. The law, how it operates, it starts within the jurisdiction. Ukaripota kesi yako ku Warren Park, asi yaitikira kumabvuku, docket richaenda kunotangira jurisdiction kumabvuku. It's that simple. Inonzi leniency iyoyo kuva accommodative. They will not tell you to go to mabvuku. But when it comes to international community, they cannot provoke something. They cannot initiate something from outside. Zimbabwe is a sovereign state. And it doesn't need any elaboration further than that. Maybe others, they take it lightly. The issue of expecting the international community and institutions to allow justice to prevail in Zimbabwe. It's wishful thinking. Unless if you are not aware, we've got them in Zimbabwe, now Amnesty International and all that. They cannot work alone. They will have to work with the local. And that cannot happen. So it goes back to my view. Hatichadzokera kuZimbabwe kana vezanu-PF vagumbuka, ndofunga ndo hope yangu ini ndakazvimirira. Vachagumbuka chaizvo, but kana chachaya we need to go and join them. and then we say tombomira kubasa, tombomira mapadza, tombotarisana, tombotukana, tombodzokora zvandataura zviya ndozvakaitika. Zvakaitika ndozvakaitika in opposition. But unfortunately, GNU yakabva yava weekend. But never again settle for a GNU. Let me yield my mind. Thank you.
Welcome to Zim One, a platform where every voice matters and every idea counts. This is a space dedicated to nation building, shaped by the thoughts, hopes, and lived experiences of the people of Zimbabwe. From the streets to the classrooms, from farms to factories, from elders to the youth, we bring together brilliant points from different gatherings of citizens across our nation. These are conversations rooted in reality, driven by patriotism, and guided by the belief that Zimbabwe's future is built by its people. Here, we listen, we reflect, and we share ideas that inspire unity, progress, and sustainable development. This channel is not about politics alone. It is about solutions. Not about division, but about collective responsibility. Join us as Zimbabweans from all walks of life contribute insights that strengthen our communities, uplift our nation, and shape the Zimbabwe we all want to see. This is our voice. This is our vision. This is nation building together.